It's the third day of the filing of certificates of candidacy for the 2025 elections. And here in Pampanga, marami ang nag-file ng kanilang COCs today. Kahapon nung second day medyo konti ang mga nag-file ng COCs dito sa Pampanga, pero so far today si Architect Alex Tumang, the brother of former Mayor of Mexico, Pampanga na si Teddy Tumang, filed his certificate of candidacy for mayor under the Nacionalista Party and the local party Kambilan of Pampanga Governor Dennis Pineda earlier this morning. Former Teddy Tumang actually has been the subject of a series of House hearings by the Committee on Public Accounts. He was dismissed due to alleged procurement irregularities during his term noong 2007 to 2010. His daughter, Dr. Hazel Tumang, is reportedly set to file her candidacy for the 3rd District of Representative here in Pampanga on October 5, Saturday. And then in Porac naman, it's a three-way mayoral race since nag-file nung October 1 sina Mike Tapang at Charlie Santos who are gunning for mayor. Today naman, or this morning, it was the incumbent mayor Jaime Jing Capil who filed his certificate of candidacy together with his entire slate. His daughter, Trisha Angeli Capil, also filed her COC gunning for vice mayor. They were both actually joined by Capil's wife na si Lenny. Trisha, his daughter, is actually a magna cum laude graduate and a CPA degree holder. She is currently also studying law in Ateneo. But the father and daughter tandem who filed their COCs kanina were also joined by their slate na under the banner Bayong Porac. They are all still running as an independent candidate at so far, ang sabi ni Mayor Jing, they are planning to enter a political party soon, but they have not mentioned any political parties yet. If we can still recall, Porac has been the center nga ng controversies surrounding the Pogo Lucky South 99, which was raided by the authorities noong June this year lang din. And among those local governments who have been involved in the raided Pogos, it was actually only Mayor Jing who faced several hearings at the Senate, the House of Representatives, and the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Well, apart from the Bamban Mayor Alice Guo at that time, it was only Mayor Jing here in Pampanga who appeared in several or series of hearings investigated by our lawmakers, including the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, in relation to any issues related to the Pogo. So still in Pampanga, Guagua Mayor Tonton Torres filed his COC for second term. Or for his second term today. He was accompanied by Pampanga Governor Dennis Pineda. And the incumbent councilor of Florida Blanca na si Darren Manalansan also filed his COC today. His running mate is actually Joe Ray Paule Montemayor, and their council slate accompanied them in filing their COCs today. Si Councilor Darren is actually the son of the incumbent mayor Darwin Manalansan, who is serving his third term nitong term na ito. And then Magalang Mayor Malu Lacson also filed her COC for second term as well. She was joined by her running mate na si Norman Lacson for vice mayor and their council slate. They were accompanied by the outgoing Angeles City Mayor Carmelo Lazatin Jr., who was also seen supporting their team. He is also campaigning, or because he filed his COC noong October 1 for a congressional seat in the 1st District of Pampanga, which includes the Mabalacat City, Angeles City, and Bagalang Town. Maybe that's why nandun din si Mayor Pogi kanina to show support for the incumbent mayor of Magalang na si Mayor Malu Lacson. And other personalities who are gunning for or will be filing their COCs, and they have not yet filed their COCs, are the Pinedas. Governor Delta has not filed his COC yet. His mother, Vice Governor Nanay Lilia Pineda, did not file her COC yet. Former board member Mylene Pineda Cayabyab is reportedly gunning for the mayoral race in Pampanga's capital, city of San Fernando, against the incumbent Mayor Vilma Caluwag. Pati ang slate ni former or retired General Oscar Albayalde, they have not filed their COCs yet, but they are reportedly filing their COCs on Monday, October 7. Si retired General Oscar Albayalde is also in the middle of the controversies noong drug war, which he also appeared noong recent hearings ng Quad Committee. First time niyang nag-appear at that time. So far, yun lang ang mga personalities who entered Pampanga's political arena. This is Joanne Manabat for Rappler, Pampanga.